Hey guys, how you guys doing? So tonight I'm gonna be doing my version of fast food at home, and I'm gonna be doing some honey lemon wings, pepperoni pizza, and some fries. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start to season up my wings for my honey lemon pepper wings. And for this I'll be using some ground turmeric, garlic powder, black pepper, sazon, lemon pepper seasoning, and some sea salt. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with my turmeric. It's about half a teaspoon. My garlic powder, sazon, lemon pepper seasoning, salt, and my black pepper. Almost forgot my green seasoning, my homemade green seasoning. Let's mix everything together. Okay, so it's all mixed together. I'm gonna cover it up with plastic wrap, place it in the fridge for until I'm ready, at least 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and I'm gonna be starting to fry my wings. Now I'm putting in about 6 to 7 pieces per batch so I don't overcrowd the pot. So my first batch is done. I'm gonna place them on a wire rack and place the rest of the chicken in. And now I'm gonna be starting with my honey lemon pepper sauce. I put in 2 tablespoons of butter, waited until it melted, and then I'm gonna go in with half of the juice of half of a lemon. Just gonna squeeze that right in. And next I'm going in with raw honey, and I'm putting in just about half of a cup of raw honey into the pan. Followed by my lemon pepper seasoning. So my heat is on medium to low, and I'm just waiting for some of that liquid to boil out because I want it to get a thicker consistency. And this is what I'm looking for. That way the liquid will cling to the chicken and it won't have that watery look. And now I'm gonna put in my chicken pieces. I'm putting in all of them at once. And then I'm gonna start moving them around to make sure every piece of that chicken gets some of that honey lemon pepper sauce. You hear what I'm saying? This is about to be so good. So all the pieces are covered with that honey lemon pepper sauce. And what I'm gonna do now is just to squeeze the other half of the lemon, just to squeeze the juices on there. And seeing that the heat is still on medium to low, it's not gonna cling to the chicken and make it all soggy. So that's just a trick that I use. So the fries that I'm using is just the regular cut French fried potatoes. I'm just gonna be frying it in some oil in a pot. Make sure that your oil is hot enough. And I like my fries to be brown. So I'm just gonna be moving it around just to make sure that it's done. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna move on to my dough. So here I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of white sugar, fast-acting yeast, my sea salt, olive oil, and my water. Let's get right into mixing everything we need. So first thing we're gonna do is let our yeast proof. So I'm gonna be adding my sugar to my lukewarm water. Now your water has to be about 110 degrees. And next I'm gonna go in with my 1 pack of yeast. So I'm gonna leave it like this for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be moving on to the next part of our recipe. Okay, so here I have my flour, and to this I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of olive oil, followed by my salt, so my yeast has proofed, as you guys can see. I'm gonna start going in with it. I'm not going in with everything one time. And yes, my surface is sanitized. Now I'm gonna put it right back into the bowl where it was. I'm gonna be putting some olive oil at the bottom. Put my dough in, move it around, and put some olive oil at the top. And cover it up with some plastic wrap. And place it somewhere warm in your home. So you're gonna spread your dough out until you have it as wide as you need it, and you're gonna put some cornmeal flour on your pizza pan. That way it does not stick to your pan. Now I also use my rolling pin to get my dough how I want it to be. And next I'm gonna go in with my pizza sauce. And I'm gonna put a good layer on there. I would say about half of a cup to 3/4 of a cup. And spread it out with a flat surface. Here I'm just using a spoon. And next I'm gonna go in with my mozzarella cheese. Now I will advise you to grate your own cheese because the one that's already grated has this type of film on it, this waxy type of look. I don't like it, so I grate my own cheese. And this is a 8-ounce pack of cheese that I grated. And now the star of the show, my pepperoni slices. So I'm starting with a layer from the outside, and I'm gonna go all around it. And I'm doing the same for the other layers. And this is the last layer. This is about to be so good, y'all. And now I'm just gonna top it off with some more of that mozzarella cheese. It's not gonna be so much of a thick layer because I need to see my pepperoni slices peeping through when it comes to my pizza. And I'm gonna garnish with some parsley flakes to top it all off. And now it's time for baking. And my pizza is all done, guys. It took everything in me not to eat a slice right off the pan like that. So I'm just cutting it into pieces. I got 8 equal pieces. And it's not too thick, not too thin. Y'all can see the cheesy goodness of it. I don't even have to tell you guys. And there it is, guys. My French fries, my also delicious pizza, my succulent honey lemon pepper wings, and I did some coleslaw. So this is my idea of a takeout over the weekend. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!